Jeff with Fusion Electric here. So this is going to be my follow-up video. Previously we were installing some task lighting for this workbench here. So I have installed below these shop cabinets my LED ribbon tape, my light rail, and my diffusers here on both sides of this cabinet. I've also installed my driver right here, which will power and control the ribbon tape lighting. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up. As you guys can see, it puts out a pretty significant amount of light here for task lighting on this workbench. This is a very versatile type of lighting. You find that a lot of times in kitchens for under cabinet lighting, also in display cabinets. So that's gonna be it for me today. Jeff with Fusion Electric, full service electrical contractor here in Kansas City. Check us out at fusionkc.com. Thanks for stopping by and watching my video.